With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, so here's a question. It says that consider a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where b and c belongs to R, that is a set of real numbers, and a is not equal to 0, such that a plus b plus c is less than 0. Then which of the following alternatives are true? Okay, so we have some conditions over here, and with the help of them we have to find out which of the following option is correct. Okay, so let's start. Let me tell you some important properties of quadratic equation. So the nature of the parabola or the quadratic graph depends on the sign of a, that is the coefficient of highest power of x, right? So if a, that is the coefficient of highest power of x, is positive, then your parabola will look like this, and if it's negative, then your parabola will look like this, right? So this is when a is positive, and this is when a is less than 0, right? Or also it can be like this also, or this graph can be like this, but for sure it will open upside and it will be upside down, right? Now moving further, it is given that a plus b plus c is less than 0. Okay, so let me put 1 in the quadratic equation. Okay, so let me write down the given quadratic equation first, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? So if I put x equal to 1, then that will be equal to a plus b plus c, and it is given that this is less than 0, right? So from here we have that f of 1 is less than 0, or the function will be negative at x equal to 1, right? So in these two graphs we can see that this is negative here, and this one is negative in these two regions, right? So now there are three possibilities. Number one, if a is positive, then it can be like this. If a is negative, then there are two possibilities, right? It is given it at x equal to 1, the graph, the function will be negative, right? So 1 can lie here for a greater than 0, right? But if a is less than 0, that is if a is negative, then either 1 can lie here, that is both the roots will lie after 1, or both the roots will be greater than 1, or 1 will lie here, that is both the roots will be less than 1, right? So these are the three possibilities, or these are the three cases. Now let's move towards the given options. Okay, so option number 1 says, let me show you. Option number 1 says if a is negative, then both roots of the quadratic equation must be non-real. So this is incorrect, because we can't say about the nature of roots. It can be real or it can be non-real, right? But this option says must be non-real, so this can't be true. This will be the incorrect option. Option B says if a is positive, then both the roots of the quadratic equation lies on either side of 1. So we have seen this case that if a is greater than 0, then yes, both the roots lies on opposite sides of 1, right? Or on either sides of 1. So yes, option B is correct. So option B is the correct option, right? Now option C says if a is less than 0, then both roots of the quadratic equation may be real or and equal, right? So this can be true, because it says that the that the roots of the quadratic equation may be real and equal. Also, so yes, the roots can be equal if the graph is like this. Okay, not like this. If your graph is like this, okay, touching the x-axis at only one point, then your roots, both the roots may be equal, right? So this can be true. So option C is also correct. Now moving towards option D, it says if a is positive, then both the roots of the quadratic equation are smaller than 1. So that's incorrect, because we have seen that if a is positive, then both the roots, one of the root is greater than 1 and other has to be less than 1, right? So both cannot be smaller than 1, right? So this is again an incorrect option, right? So among the given four options, option B and C are the correct ones, right? So I hope this will help you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.